to you all. Today I'll show you how you can mail confidentially, or I want to show you the feature of Gmail confidential mode. So this feature is very useful in the case if you want to send a mail which disappears automatically or which removes automatically. This feature is added in the latest version of Gmail. So to go to latest version of Gmail, you need to click on the settings, and when you click on the drop down, you'll see the try new Gmail. So once you click on try new Gmail, it gets loaded, and in this latest Gmail look, they have included this option called Gmail confidential mode, where we can set the expiry date for the mail. For example, if you want to send a confidential mail, so very important mail you're composing, then you can keep a expiry date so that it will expire on your set date. Because for example, if you set it for one day, it will get destroyed in one day. I'll show you. Just click on compose. Yeah, see here, for example, I am sending a mail to someone. So here you can see a new option called confidential mode, where I can set the time period or the duration. So I'm sending on this date, so on July 27 this particular mail gets destroyed. I'll read this. Recipients will not have the option to forward the email. Okay, you need to remember that this email have no access to forward, means the recipient can't forward this or copy paste or download or print. So this is just confidential, so you need to remember that also. So if I send this, uh, this mail will be sent but in a confidential mode, so that within the next day it gets deleted and they can't copy paste or forward this email. So I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.